Hey guys, so today I have got the Coven box to show you again. So if you didn't see me unbox the last one, this is $32.99 a month. They do free shipping to the UK and they are also shipping to other countries now for like a small fee, so that's really nice. It's all vegan and cruelty-free items, and they do donate £1 per box sold to the Sophie Lancaster Foundation as well, which is really cool. So if you've not heard about that, it is something that actually happened really close to my house, so you could always Google it if you wanted to know what that is. But yeah, this is the April Ghouls box, I believe, so I'm just going to open this and show you what is in here. I've had a quick little sneak peek, but I've not seen everything. So like I said, this one is the April Ghouls box. We do have a little card that says what's inside, but I'm not going to read off this, I'm just going to show you. And this is what it looks like. It looks very cute. So the first thing right on the top is this little wooden hand painted plaque. It's like a black heart with two cute little witchy ghosts on it with a cauldron. It's got like a little ribbon hanger. Hopefully that's showing up okay on camera. I do actually really love this. I don't know if they hand painted it themselves or if it is from like a certain brand or something, but love that. So cute. So that's our first little item. Then next we have some little ghosty dangly earrings. They kind of look like they would be glow in the dark. I'm not sure if they are or not. They've got glitter in them. Super cute. I don't have normal ear piercings, unfortunately. I guess I could put them through the tunnels, but that is our little ghosty earrings. Then next we've got a little enamel pin, which is a ghost with a witch hat and it says boo. Again, really cute. Loving everything so far. It's just got one little pin stopper on the back. Definitely adding him to my pin collection. He is very cute. Then next we've just got some little random ghosty stickers. So we've got this one, kind of looks like the ghost emoji on the iPhone a little bit. We've got this one holding a little pumpkin pail, and then we've just got this little happy ghost. So these three ghost stickers. And then next there is three of these little bags. I'm assuming they're all different. So in the first one is, it's some little like rings. So we've got, oh no, they're a little bit stuck together. Oh, there we go. Okay, so we've got this one, which is a little ghosty. And then we have this one, which is like a little coffin with a ghost on it. This one is adjustable. Oh, they're both adjustable actually, so that's pretty cool. Obviously, I'm assuming they're not going to be any kind of proper metal, so it might turn your fingers green, but they are a cute little kind of fun ring. This one, I'm not going to bend them. This one would actually make a cute little midi ring, this little ghost. And then this one would probably replace this coffin actually, size-wise. Let's see. Yep. That is, oh, a bit big actually. That is what that one looks like. Then we've got this one. So in here is a little key ring. Oh, that's really cute actually. It's like a little haunted house with ghosts. It's kind of like got an enamel painting house and ghosts in there. That's what it looks like on the back. Very cute. And then the last little bag is, oh, it's a choker, I think. That's so cute. I'm not sure this is going to fit around my neck because I've got a really big neck, but it's kind of like a little velvety choker at the top with a chain at the bottom. Try and hold it how it would hang. So it would kind of look like this with a little ghost in the middle. Really cute. like I said, I'm not sure it'll fit my neck because I have a big neck, but it does have a long extender on it, so hopefully it will. Very cute. There's still so much more left in here. This is like one of the fullest boxes I've had in a while. Next we have Shayla's Scents, little wax melts, marshmallow roast. I feel like this box was kind of made for me a little bit. There's 3 ghosties in here. Oh my gosh. If you watch my videos, usually you'll know that I love marshmallow scent. They are little sparkly, kind of pinky red coloured ghosts. They smell incredible. Amazing. 3 of those in there. Then we have a little hair bow. It's orange, it's got ghosts and words on it like spooky, boo, stuff like that. Definitely not my favourite thing. I don't really wear stuff like this, but still very cute though. Could put it in Chili's hair, like a little bow on top of his head. He would hate me forever. But yeah, it's got a little, I don't know what you call these, like a crocodile clip kind of thing down here. Then next we have something that one of my subscribers is going to be so happy about. There is someone on here who comments every time that it's just not a good box because there's no socks. Well, you know what? I guess this is probably the best box I've ever done then, because we have ghost socks. These are super, super, super cute. I actually really like the colour. I like that they're not just black. They are grey and yellow with little ghosties on. She's gonna love this. Hopefully she sees this. And then there's still more. We're not even finished yet. We've got this, which I think is a little notepad with a ghost on it. Yeah, oh, it's like little post-it notes. That's so cute. Little sticky notes with ghosts on. Definitely taking those to work with me. We actually just went to a new office and we're not allowed cute stationery or like unprofessional things, so I'll have to keep these in my drawer because it's boring there now, but love those, so cute. And then we've still got 3 things left, so I'm gonna leave the biggest thing till last. I'm gonna show you this first. Let's see if I can get it out. So it's got a little business card from House of Hidden Horrors, apparently. And that is this little art print. Again, it's got these little witchy ghosts on there. Kind of looks exactly the same as the heart plaque at the start, so I wonder if maybe she also made that. So cute. I don't love getting art prints, honestly, but this is really, really cute though. And then we have this little pillow cover, cushion cover, full of little ghosties, and it says Lonely Ghost Support Group across the bottom. It's really nice, like velvety, super, super soft material. I'm not sure if you can really see it very well on camera, but it's not like a normal cotton, it's like a really fluffy material. It has a zip, so you can put your cushion in there or fill in or whatever you want. So cute. And then we have our last item, and that is a little ghosty bag. He is so cute. I'm not sure I would use this as like a bag outside. Probably like a little makeup bag or a travel bag to put like wash things in or something like that. But it comes with a strap, and it does have a little pocket inside and stuff. It's kind of like a side bag, I would say. These clip on here. Let me do this. So they clip to the sides like this, and then it's kind of just like a little side bag. So cute. Absolutely loved this box. I don't think there was anything in here that I didn't like. I'm gonna quickly grab everything and show you it all again at once. So we had the Lonely Ghosts Support Group little cushion cover, the little ghosty witches art print, the choker necklace, the little key ring, the 2 little rings, the ghosty socks, the little sticky notes, post-it notes, the 3 marshmallow ghost wax melts, the little ghost pin, the dangly little sparkly earrings, the 3 ghost stickers, the little hair bow, I'm gonna clip it on there, the wooden plaque, and the ghosty bag. So all of these things in the Coven April Ghouls box. Definitely one of my favourite boxes I've had in a long time. Absolutely loved this. I don't think there's anything I didn't like. If I had to pick a least favourite, it would just be this bow because I'm not going to wear it, but the rest is so, so cute. Definitely recommending this one so far. I do have another unboxing of theirs as well, which I'll link down below in case you want to go look at another one. But you'll have to let me know what you thought of this one. I will put all the information for them down in the description in case you want to go and check them out. And I hope you liked the video. If you did, please subscribe and I will see you soon. Bye guys.